This is Rocky, my beautiful black and tan Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. From the moment I saw him, I knew he was special. There's just something about him, that regal masculine presence mixed with this dainty carefree charm that only Cavaliers have. He's playful, full of personality, and honestly, a little goofy. If there's a butterfly floating by or a leaf falling from a tree, he's on it, like it's his personal mission to protect the house from all things airborne. He makes us laugh every single day, and that's just part of what makes him so special to me. Health is something I take very seriously in my breeding program, and I'm really proud of the work we've done with Rocky. He's chick certified through the OFA, which means he's completed every recommended health test for Cavaliers. I always encourage people to look at his health records for themselves. They're public and they tell a great story. Rocky is clear of genetic conditions like degenerative myelopathy, or DM, and several others that can sometimes affect the breed. Knowing he's free and clear gives me so much peace of mind, not just for him, but for every puppy he sires. Cavaliers come in 4 beautiful color varieties: Blenheim, Tricolor, Ruby, and Black and Tan. The black and tan color, though, is something truly special. It's one of the rarest and most eye-catching of all 4. There's something so classic about that deep, glossy black coat paired with those rich rust markings. Every time I take him out, someone stops to ask about him. And one of the neatest things about breeding to Rocky is how predictable his genetics are. No matter what color the female is, every puppy in the litter will be black and tan, just like him. That's such a fun advantage because you know exactly what to expect. A whole litter of gorgeous, uniform black and tan Cavaliers, all carrying that same timeless look. But what I love most about Rocky isn't just his looks or his health results, it's his heart. There's something about male Cavaliers, and they have that extra Velcro quality. They bond deeply, they stick right to your side, and Rocky is the perfect example of that. He's my shadow. Whether I'm out in the yard, working around the house, or just relaxing on the couch, he's always there. He's proven, he's healthy, and he sires such beautiful, consistent litters. But most of all, he's my sweet boy. If you'd like to learn more about Rocky, see his OFA results, or look into future breedings, you can visit HydeParkCavs.com. I couldn't be happier with him, and I can't wait for more families to experience the same love and joy he brings into our lives every day.